Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back. We're doing some summer outfits. I just pulled random pieces like a week ago. Not a week ago, like probably 3-4 days ago. So I don't remember the outfits I had in my mind, but it should be fun. So let's do it, shall we? Yeah, 4 summer outfits. Let's get dressed, let's chit chat. You know the drill. So if my hair gets frizzier and bigger and crazier as we go on, I just filmed my like heatless wave routine. Doesn't always look the best first. It looks better after, but alas, we're here for it. So let's start with look number 1. While I was cleaning out my closet, which I wish I brought you along with me, I didn't. I found these little tanks that I forgot how much I love, and I feel like they're everywhere now. This one has little olives on it. So let's put this on. I have a vision. These are from Target like 2-3 years ago. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm sure you can find something very similar. So let's pop her on. And of course, we're gonna pair it with my little green pants because I wear these things into the ground. I'm in love with them. Okay. It's cute. It's definitely like summery because there's a crop, and I get it. It's not everyone's cup of tea. It's mine right now, so I'm gonna just go with it because I kind of love it. Am I too old for this? Yes, probably, but I don't care, okay? Till somebody else who does. Okay, I have an idea. I have my Birks on because it's like these pants just call for Birkenstocks. I don't make the rules. This little like charmy scarfy thing. I want to see if I can tie this to where I can still see my little olives. Let it go, let it go. Here we go. Yes, she can. Cute. I love this. So adorable. This is so cute, okay? I'm kind of here for it. I also think you guys convinced me to keep the duct tape wallet. I have so much crap in this thing right now though. The duct tape wallet purse. I think you guys convinced me to keep it. Don't I just like look cool even though I'm not? Like I look cool. You guys, I thought I lost my wallet again today. I'm either losing my mind, well yes, or something, I don't know, but I like called the school and was like, did you find a wallet? She's like, nope. I'm like, cool. I go home, it's underneath my computer. Listen, I was just happy I found it. I love this. Okay, I know this isn't like everyone's with the little, but you could, listen, you could pull them up, you could get a full length, you could do whatever you want to do. But this is vibing for me. I want to put this back on when I'm done. I love when an outfit does that. I love when an outfit's like, I want to stay in you for the rest of the day. All right, that was look number 1. Cute, good little tank. I love that it has a little something something. And this scarf, these little scarf necklaces are going to be my jam. I already know it. And if I was leaving the house, we would have like a bra holster situation because I don't like when my bra straps hang out. Make it make sense. I don't mind when my tummy hangs out like this. Listen, it's so crazy though because like when I was a little girl, or even like teens, whatever, I would never let my stomach show. I didn't even show my stomach in college. And here I am now almost the ripe age of 40 and I'm like, kidding, I'm like 36. That's not 40. But anyway, I'm like, who cares, girl? Life's too short. And my tummy looks okay, so not even just okay. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna rock it out a little bit. Just a little. We're not going like, you know, balls to the walls, but a little cutesy, little sliver. I'm okay with it. So look number 1. Nailed it. Happy. So cute. Okay, wait. You know what I want to do though with this? I want to put little charms on it. This is my little cowgirl hat from Target. I thought I had some charms left over, but I didn't. Who is she? I think it would look so cute with some charms on it though. I love this! Adorable, adorable. All right. Look number 1, we're finally done. This is gonna be one of those videos where I'm just like going a million miles an hour because it's just the mood I'm in, and I'm pre-filming for when we're in Mexico. So while you're watching this, I'm gone. But I'm gonna film videos for them. For the outfits I wear in Mexico, I'm gonna film a video in case you're wondering. Okay, let's move on to look number 2. This I'm excited about. It's like a little yellow on yellow outfit, and I know I'll probably wear this a ton. I might actually change into this for the rest of the day. We have a pretty busy afternoon. I have jujitsu with my son, private lessons, then the regular class, and then we have t-ball practice. Wish us luck. All right, let's put on my aloe sweat shorts. I love a sweat short in the, I guess, spring, early summer go-to. I will say I prefer these sweat shorts from Abercrombie a little bit more than these. These are just a little short, but I do love this yellow color. It is perfect. Okay, let's put on my little, I have yet to wear this. I wore the navy blue one, but I haven't worn this one yet. These are their little like bra-free tanks from Abercrombie. Oh, I think I forgot my sneakers. We'll have to go get those, hold on. I want to give that a tuckaroony. And then I want to go get my little yellow sandal or sneakers because that's what I would wear this with. So, hold on, we got to build the whole fit. So, give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, sneakers, little A6. Oh, let's pop this on. Some little Hanes, like they're like quarter socks, not full. Let the spirit blow your mind. I have that word songs in my head, I don't know why. Just out of breath. Climbing up them stairs. Base on, but I thought it would look so cute with this little guy over the top. As like kind of a cropped little t-shirt. Jacket situation. Should I put this in? I don't know, I feel weird if I do. Ooh, I love. Ooh, I love. Hold on, I'll find the sunnies. I have like no lip balm on. You guys, I've been laying out. Like, can you tell my tan lines? I've been laying out, working on my base tan so I don't burn. And I really am that girl when I get tan. I don't know. It just makes me feel alive. My blonde looks brighter. My legs look leaner, like life is good. Anyways, this is the look. This is just a very easy, like realistic, casual outfit that I would wear doing just about anything. And I feel like this cropped shirt is a little bit different for me. Like I've had it in my wardrobe forever, but I've never worn it like this. But I wear denim shirts like all the time. So I thought this would look cute. And you know what? I was right. I think it looks adorable. So that was look number 2, a classic casual look. You can never go wrong. And it's just as important to practice these outfits as it is to practice like dressier outfits, because these are the things we're living in the most. And it's an easy way to just feel comfortable and confident. So look number 2. All right, let's move on to look number 3. Let me figure out what I have for look number 3. Oh, yeah. Okay. I remember. Let's do it. Okay, so look number 3, we're gonna put on my little Abercrombie denim shorts. I think these are the dad short. I have not tried these on in a hot minute. I feel like I didn't even wear them that much last year either. Well, let's pop these on. These are in like the darker color. I don't know. These are like old, like probably 3-4 years old. It's really hard for me to find denim shorts that I actually like really enjoy, and I've been loving more of like a mid-rise versus like a super high-rise, and these are still pretty high-rise, but I feel like I can pull them down to my belly, and they're so good. And these are stretchy. You guys know I don't love stretchy denim. I really love like a rigid cotton, but we're still going to use what we have, and I still think these are cute. And I don't dry them, which I feel like holds their like rigidness a little bit better. All right. Okay, so for the top, oh, I want to style this. I remember this little like poplin-y style top from Quince. I just realized that I didn't pull a single pair of shoes to pair with any of these outfits. So I'm gonna be running downstairs to get all the shoes once I figure out what shoes I want. Okay, so I love this little top. I featured it in my Quince like spring summer must-haves. It's a good one. I'm like debating if I want to do a little tucky Rooney. I think I do. Kind of in the front. It does feel like slightly strange on like my shoulders, but you're not strange enough for me to not want to wear it, you know? Do I want to tie that? Yeah, it's cute. All right, let's see if I have shoes up here that I can make work. If not, we going downstairs. I think we going downstairs. You know what? I had the wildest idea. It's not that wild, but I have this pair of Onitsuka Tiger sneakers that I like never wear, and I was like, girl, why don't you put a pair of fun laces on it and see if it changes it up and you love it. So I'm going to. But I'm thinking shoes. I think we need a pop. Hold the phone. Again, I'll be right back. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm still debating if I love these or not. I need you to sound off. I like love them, but I also feel like it's weird. You can see like all my toe. I don't know. But I do love the yellow meshy part. They're cute, but I need you to sound off before I make the final decision on whether I'm returning them or not. And then, give me you, I see you where you at. I'm glad I'm a gorilla today. Oh, give me more, give me more. Let's do a fun sunny. Love it. Loves. Okay, I do kind of love the yellow flats. What do we think? With the colorful clutch. I don't know. They're growing on me, but it's like when I look down at them, they look like, I don't know what, but I think they're cute. They're so comfortable, and I think they're cute, but I don't know. I need your like backup opinion. Adorable. I don't think I want a belt. I think we're going just plain simple. All right, look number 3. Did we nail it? We nailed it. My hair is kind of falling a little bit flat. Still a little wavy. But, loves. Look number 3. These jeans are good. Okay, also, if you feel like you hate the way denim shorts look on you, girl, size up. These are like a 28, okay? I'm like a 26. So, just size up. Just get the shorts that fit you the way you want to fit you, like, instead of the size that you think you are, because it's all about that. It's not about like sizing. It's literally just about, I got over that a long time ago, and I swear it was the best thing that I ever did for my style, was to just forget about the size that we thought we need to be, you know what I mean? And there's always that thing like, okay, but I'm not talking about just the size you need to be or the size you are or whatever. I'm talking about like truly committing to the fact that you want to find the fit versus size. It'll change your life. I mean, not that dramatic, but it'll change the way you think about fashion and how to dress and whatnot. Okay, this last one I'm gonna do is gonna be, I don't know how it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it because these are 2 pieces that I love. Well, one I love, the other one I haven't worn in a hot minute. These are like trouser pants. These remind me of the Lodge pants from Aritzia. I never wear mine. These are from Abercrombie. So let's pop these on and see what we can do. I guess. They're huge. These are a regular too. Okay, so I brought my dresses. And my jean shorts to a tailor. A tailor I just found, like, had great reviews, whatever. I think I went to the bougiest tailor ever existing, because when I was there, first of all, everyone was getting like wedding dress alterations, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't have brought my like Quince dresses here. Nonetheless, I don't know how I feel about these pants. I think they're too big. They're small. I don't know how they're too big. Anyway, guess how much 4 dresses and a pair to fix the zipper on my jeans shorts. I was blown away. $250. Yeah. I had already committed. It was done. Scott was like, why didn't you walk out? I was like, I wanted it done. I don't wear them. So yes, and to anybody who said, don't get them hemmed, Sorry, not sorry, I already did. Something about this is giving me no hope, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna put on my little like linen button-up vest thing from Quince and see if this works. If not, I have another course of action that we can take. So it's Cinco de Mayo. Oh yeah, these are not gonna work. This is not gonna work together, I don't think. It's too oversized with oversized. Anyway, today's Cinco de Mayo, so you can tell I'm pre-filming, but today's Cinco de Mayo, and I consider this like Scott and I's like come together anniversary. I don't know how weird that sounds. Anyway, no, this doesn't work because the pants are too frumpty dumpty. I think I need to get rid of these. Why didn't these go in my closet clean out? I think I wanted one more chance and you failed me. So anyway, let's try on a different pair of pants really quick. From Zara that fit a little like tighter at the bottom would be cute. And I'm right. Okay, so I considered our oh no! I just ripped out the string like a gorilla. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that needs to be fixed. I'm not taking it to the tailor, I'll tell you that much. I'm busting out my sewing machine. Okay. Let's see. I think we can pin this though, which is what I would do because this definitely needs like a string to like hold it. This is cute, you guys. I love this. Anyway, I consider that our our re-anniversary because I came out to, okay, so when I moved to California, then I like reconnected with Scott in like February. We planned a trip in June. We couldn't wait long enough to see each other, so I came out for Cinco de Mayo, and it was so cute. Anyways, doing this backwards, blindfolded, was what feels like. Struggles. All for you guys. Just kidding. To prove I can still do it, but this is actually quite cute. That's real cute, Kelly. Okay, we're gonna ignore the fact that, yeah, I tore my thing like a gorilla, but this is super cute. I'm loving this like cropped jean that's a little fitted with this little turtle thing, and to put a little brooch on the back is actually cuter than the string, and I might just get rid of the string. Should I pearl off both strings, or should I just leave my tiger tail? Something wild. It's not that wild. I kind of want to wear these little kitten heels. I don't know, I feel like it would look so cute, but I don't wear heels. I can barely walk in Birkenstocks. I literally tripped and, oh yeah, this hurts my foot. Twisted my ankle, or twisted the bottom of my arch or whatever, playing baseball with my son in Birkenstocks. But okay, this slaps. These cute little kitten heels, not kitten heels, slingbacks, mules, whatever, with a cropped jean. It's everything, except I can't walk in them. So maybe, oh my God, I just ripped my button out. Okay, we're gonna ignore that. I'm a mess today. Not like any day is different, but this is cute. But I honestly couldn't. I mean, I want to. These are cute. Okay. Let's just ignore the fact that I ruined this for the time being. Hopefully I can fix that really quick. There's still like a little hole back there that I can stick it in there. And all right, wish me luck. But those look. Number 4, how tragic. It's kind of okay just like how it is, but it definitely needs a little like definition, you know? Yes, you know. I just can't get over the fact that I have a tail right now. All right, that was it. Let's get around at my 4. This was probably the most chaotic video I've ever filmed. Was that 4 outfits? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count, I swear. I mean, it's still really cute. Okay, oh, I never took the tag off of these jeans. Alas, it gets more chaotic. Okay, that's it. That's all, folks. As always, let me know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. I love this. I'm a gorilla and ripped it, but it is my favorite, I think. I don't know, they all were so cute. So I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. Even though I'm chaotic and crazy, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.